Right, I got the cords. Yeah. I spent $65.59. If you feel me, you feel me. If you don't, you don't. Wow.
I may be young, but I'm ready to give you all my love. I told my girls you can get it. Don't slow it down, just let it go. So in
on Dirty Gang, it is your girl Dirty here. Welcome to my channel. I am so happy you decided to stop by. So click on this video. I hope you guys enjoy my channel. For today's video, hit that. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This will be my first ever video of my entrepreneur series. Yay, so your girl is about to be a business owner, okay? Soon to be business owner, and that's just on what? Period.
Nothing left to say, like, period.
So, I'm gonna tell y'all a little bit about my business and what's going on and what to expect from my business. Also, this is gonna be part one of my inventory as well, just to show y'all the idea, so y'all can get the idea of what I want to do with my business and what I want to create. So my business name, I asked on my Instagram community tab, I asked everybody to get opinions on my business name because I didn't know what I wanted it to be. So my business name is Yasmin Creations, but with a K instead of a C, okay? So it's Yasmin Creations, and I did create an Instagram for it. We almost at 50 followers, okay? So I'm gonna just put it like right here on the screen. So y'all make sure y'all go follow my business. You need to stay tuned and keep updated with your girl, because if you ain't keeping updated, what you doing? Obviously nothing. So it is handmade jewelry. I'm gonna be making everything by hand. When I was trying to figure out what type of business I wanted to do, I really didn't have any idea. People suggested like maybe you should do natural hair products. I knew I wasn't into makeup, wasn't into hair, lashes. I wasn't into none of that stuff. So I was like, what can I do that I don't really see a lot of people doing? And and also I wanted to stand out, and I wanted to do something that I'm like, I can really get down with that, basically. So I was like, maybe I should do handmade jewelry. Mind you, I did jewelry like a little bit, and I found it, very interesting to see people like actually handmade jewelry that you see in the stores. I can make it. So I decided on that, and I had a couple of names picked out, but Yasmin Creations one, I was like, I like that. First it was gonna be Yasmin Customs, but I was like, I don't really like that. Like, it don't really got a ring, so I need something that's gonna ring to the people, okay? So I said Yasmin Creations, and to be different, I put, instead of a C, I put a K. So that's how we got that. And with my business, first I'm going to be starting off with bracelets. Then I'm going to move on to necklaces, ankle bracelets. Somebody suggested for me to do waist beads. If I do my research on all of that, y'all can get waist beads as well. I want to do a little bit of everything. So basically, I want everything to be things that I like, things that I would wear, that I feel like people would wear too, but like cute, cute, simple, stylish pieces. Every outfit you can just pair it with, one of your outfits, depending on, the color and what you get. So everything is gonna be affordable prices right now. Ideally, I'm looking for, with prices, it's gonna be around about $3 to no more than $10, starting off with like bracelets and necklaces and stuff. I really don't know what the prices, but I'm gonna make sure they're affordable. But also I need to realize how much money I'm putting into my business, because I'm telling y'all today, I ain't even really get everything that I need. I only got like maybe 25%. But it's cool because I'm so excited for this journey. If you would have asked me maybe even 2-3 months ago, you want to be a business owner? I would tell you no, because I didn't think that I would be, you know, doing my own business. I'm very inspired by people around me. I'm like, they got their own business, they black owned, they doing good, they're successful. Of course you're gonna have ups and downs to your business, but I was like, come on, like I do so much. I know I do a lot, and people really believe in me, really support me, and it's crazy to me that I'm about to reach 50 followers on my business account already, and I'm just starting my business account. So y'all stay tuned, probably got a giveaway. So basically, when y'all see, I can't wait for y'all to see my logo. So excited, so excited. That should be, my logo should be made in about a week or so, but we'll see. And basically my favorite color is pink, so you know I had to incorporate pink. So I was like, let me do rose gold, because I love like rose gold things. I love marble stuff, so y'all gonna see like marble type of beads. Like I want stuff that, you know, represents me and what y'all like as well, and stuff that I think people like, females, especially the females, will like. I need to, you know, of course dip into the males as well, because I do have males supporting me, so y'all stay tuned for the males too. And I was just, basically my vision is everything to be just simple, elegant, you know, real sophisticated, cute stuff. If you feel me, you feel me. If you don't, you don't. Wow. Okay, so enough of me talking, enough of me rambling. That's just like a little idea, y'all. I'm just trying to still get everything together as we speak. So that's just a little idea. Like, I have the vision in my head. All I have to do is pursue the vision, okay? So now let's get into my inventory. This is only a little bit, y'all. Like I said, this is 25%. Probably even less than that. So today I was like, we're gonna go to the store today. Today is the day we're going to the store and we're going to invest. So in total, y'all, I spent $65.59. I said, ooh. When I handed her the cash, I was like, oh yeah, I'm about to spend a bag on this business. But I'm blessed to be able to spend the bag, okay? Because I'm spending the bag sooner than what I thought. All right, so first up, y'all, I got this bead board right here to help with sizing. And the bead board, I think it's like $5, $5.99, $4.99. You know what? I'm finna just put it on the screen, because I'm not finna look at this to see. I'm not gonna do it. So like I was saying, first up, I got the bead board right here, so I can size y'all things. Next, I got this storage thing, and it has adjustable dividers. So it's, I think it's 15. Yeah, 15 removable dividers and 2 fixed dividers. So this is how it looks right here. Of course, I'll be putting my beads and stuff in there. Next, since I'm making like stretch type of bracelets, I got the cord. Yeah, the bead cords. So I got this. Y'all, everything that I got, low-key, is test and trial to see if it's gonna work. So I got these 2 right here. This one. And I asked the lady at the store, and she was like, I should be good. So I got 2 of these. We're gonna see if it worked with the beads that I got. If not, I'll probably have to, you know, get something a little bit bigger. Then next up, I got these lava beads, and these beads, you can put essential oils on them, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah. And then I got these little crafting beads as well. So I'm gonna be putting y'all, like, just y'all first initial of your name. Like, for instance, my name is Darty, so I'll just put a D. So I decided to get these little letter things, do something with them. Alright, next I got these bags right here, and it's $1.50 for like $2 or some change. So I'm first gonna start off by putting my bracelets and stuff in here, because, you know, it's jewelry, and I need to figure out a way that I want to put my logo on things. So I have to figure out that too. But I did get these right here. So next up are all of the beads I got. So this is the fun part, and this is the part I spent the most money on. So I got these glass beads right here. Right there. These right here are so pretty. Y'all, I seen these and I was like, oh yeah, I gotta get these, okay? So then next I got these pink ones. As y'all know, my favorite color is pink. So I got these pink ones. I think I got everything glass, like legit. Then I got this color right here. Got that color. Then I got these pink ones. Y'all, everything is gonna be a lot of test and trial. So yeah. And I think y'all can kind of see where I'm going with all of this. So yeah. I wanted to get some white ones, so I got, you know, the pearls right here. These are real cute. And the last ones I got were these ones right here. So these clear ones. So of course, y'all probably like, girl, you got some real cute beads. I know, and it was pretty pricey, but it's okay. It's okay. So y'all, that's everything that I got right now, and that total was I'll tell you that big. $65.59. So all of this was $65.59, and as y'all can see, I ain't really get much nothing. So we'll see. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Y'all stay tuned for my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications to be notified when I post a video. And remember to live your best life. And I'm out. Peace.